Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today we'll see how to access the DVR recording that is stored in the Mahindra BE6 or the XEV 9e or even the other born electrics that Mahindra is offering. So in the dashboard here you can see a DVR port inside. In the dashboard here you can see that there's a DVR port, and the 360-degree camera of the car keeps recording and you can store it in a USB. So I've ordered this USB from Amazon. This is 64 GB, but you can choose based upon however much you want. So let's see how to install this. So now this USB goes into that port. As you can see, the USB is inserted into the DVR. Now we'll turn on the vehicle. And now if we go into secure 360 and recording, you can see that there is the hard drive option here. Now in this you can see that this is connected. So now I'm looking in the DVR. Now you can see these recordings. Of course it hasn't recorded anything yet, but so now it's recording in the DVR. The hard drive is the vehicle itself's hard drive, but you can also capture things here. So now it's showing connected and it'll start storing. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more automobile info content, then be sure to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and have an amazing journey.